Hello, traders out there in trader land. My name is Dez, your trading mentor and senior analyst here at Grok Trade. It is Tuesday, October 5th, 2010, and boom, the markets go screaming straight up. Check this out, Dow up 1.8%. The Dow up that much. That's incredible. Over 2% on the S&P. More than that on the NASDAQ, and the Russell's knocking at the door of being up 3%. And in large part, the banks supporting that full move. A big 7.5% drop in the VIX. Look how low the VIX is at 21, just under 22. But nonetheless, gold reaching all-time highs. Reports coming out saying people are buying gold by literally the ton. Isn't that amazing? Check this out. Japan came out with some news that they're doing some stimulus plan that was going to hurt the yen a little bit, knock it down to get their economy to go up, and sure enough, helped act as a catalyst for the markets to go just up and just huge. We have, check this out, we busted a massive trend line. Look at this trend line that goes way back to yesteryears. So we have this huge trend line that comes down. We come down, we smack it right here in April, May area, and then boom, we're smacking it again. And then as of today, we come blasting over it. And I've been telling everybody the last couple videos that we need to get over 1160 or down below this 1130 or 29 area. But anything between, don't get too excited. And right now, we're hanging up at 1160. Oh man, I was hoping to get a nice close above that. But we closed right at that line. Does it shock me? No, not at all. But listen, the trend, TRIN, was so low today that there's roughly an 80% chance of a sell-off happening tomorrow, at least a gap down taking place first thing in the morning. So don't be shocked if you don't see a little bit of a dip. But if we do get that dip tomorrow, I do see some really huge support at around the 1155 area. 1155 will just be a massive area, and also 1157. 1155 to 1157 should be some really nice support levels. Matter of fact, so much so, I'm going to drop a line right there and right here. Those two lines right there should act as some nice support. But we would love to go higher tomorrow to be bullish. That means we need to get a close higher than 1163. If we can get that, that would be huge. And we do have a big positive tick here on the histogram down there on the MACD. And with that means we got a crossover and we're staying above zero. That is great. So we have huge news coming out pre-market on Friday, October 8th. With that knowledge, that could send the markets one direction or the other. It'd be interesting to see, though, if that might be a good report. It's funny how, I'm not the conspiracy type guy, but sometimes I wonder if the markets, and some big dogs out there, they tend to hear what a report's going to be, and sometimes a few days before you kind of see a foreshadowing of what is to come. However, I play what I see, not what I think. But right now what I see is a high base breakout that happened, and let's look at the volume. The volume was okay at best. I would have liked to have seen more volume than that. Why didn't we have more volume? I'd like to have seen a huge amount of volume. We just didn't see it. All right. So there it is. Hey, we have two dates now. If you go to the front website at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, which is one of the best educational sites out there, especially the chart school, and I've been working diligently on the 101, 201 trading education videos. But anyway, You'll see on the calendar that we have 2 dates. We have dates coming up on the October 23rd, 24th, 25th for our next mentorship. And we also have November dates that are coming up. And those November dates are the 13th, 14th, and 15th. Those are the last 2. Those are the only dates that we have coming up. If you want to get plugged into our mentorship, it's not just 3 days. That is how we kick things off. Like, for example, tonight we have a 1-hour webinar exclusively for mentor students. So any of the mentor students that has ever come to us, they get an invite tonight to come and be a part of this. So each week you get more educated. Each week you have your questions answered. Each week you get an in-depth review of what's happening out there in the markets that go far beyond what a 2 to 3 minute video will do. So pretty cool stuff. And if you fill out the form, you're going to hear from me pretty quick. You're going to get an email from me or even a phone call. And I want to talk to you about mentoring and why it's so hugely important for every trader to have a mentor. Take care. Safe trading to you. Look forward to you being a part of our website and the forums and in collaborating with other traders and inside the chat room during trading hours. All right, that's it. Take care. Safe trading to you. I love the markets when they're moving, and this is some exciting times.